Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add a Spotify song to your alarm. So basically, if you open your alarm, tap this plus icon, set the time, and then click this sound option below label. You will see that the music that you can get or you can select is from the iPhone folder, or you can click this tone store or download all purchase tones. But you cannot see Spotify option right here. So what you're going to do as alternative, you can exit your alarm clock application and then go to your app store. This time you have to look for Spotify alarm. There are tons of applications here that can let you set your time or set your alarm, and some of these applications will allow you to use Spotify songs and music. You just have to click one. Let's just say I want to try this alarm clock for Spotify. So all you have to do is to get or install this application. And then after that, what you're going to do is to launch the application, and probably you should see this. And all you have to do is to simply set your time or alarm and then click the start alarm button right here. Then it will ask you to connect your Spotify account. Since I have connected my Spotify account, I can now search for the specific song that I want to use as my alarm sound. But this application is not for free. So in case that you want to use this, you can try their free trial. Then if you like this application, then you can purchase this. Actually, you can go back to App Store and see if there are any applications that are for free that can help you add Spotify song to your alarm. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. If you want us to create another tutorial, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.